Spending more time on Canva than your business? Canva has hidden features that can save you hours. Watch. First up, the instant text box by just hitting the T key on your keyboard. A new text box instantly appears on your design, ready for you to type and customize. Keep tweaking until you're happy with it. Next, master duplication. Press Command+D on a Mac or Control+D on a PC. This creates an exact copy. Press it again and Canva intelligently duplicates it with the exact same spacing, creating a clean, professional pattern in seconds. Keep tweaking until you're happy with it. Manually resizing a design for different social media platforms is a huge time sink. Instead, use the Pro feature Magic Switch. Once your design is complete, open Magic Switch, select all the formats you need, and let Canva's AI automatically resize and rearrange your elements for each one. We've just transformed the static post to a reel. Add animations by navigating to the Animate option and add movements to the elements, transforming this into a reel for your business or brand. You can explore other ways to animate the elements as you see fit. Animated assets help your content stand out in crowded feeds, stop the scroll, and communicate your message faster. Subscribe for more Canva Quiet Power Moves.